What is MRO inventory? MRO is short for maintenance, repair, and operations. MRO inventory consists of items businesses keep on hand to ensure its facilities and production processes run smoothly, including spare parts needed for routine maintenance and repair of production machinery, as well as everyday items the business uses, such as light bulbs, cleaning supplies, and office materials. MRO inventory often accounts for a significant portion of a company's overall procurement spend, so efficiently managing MRO costs can have a significant impact on the bottom line. Managing MRO inventory involves buying, stocking, distributing, and replenishing supplies at the lowest practical cost, with the goal of ensuring adequate stock is available while keeping in mind storage space and budget. Efficiently managing MRO inventory processes via an inventory management system directly affects the profitability of the business by eliminating production interruptions, optimizing inventory levels, and minimizing losses in productivity.